For this quick and easy mayo recipe, you need a tall jar in which you will add 1 egg, 2 teaspoons vinegar, I'm using apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon sea salt, about a teaspoon of your favorite mustard, and 300 milliliters of neutral oil. I'm using sunflower oil, you can use avocado oil or corn oil, it's completely up to you. Now insert your stick blender all the way to the bottom and start blitzing. Make sure that at this stage you don't move the blender until the ingredients are well combined. Then slowly move the stick blender up and down, making sure to incorporate all the oil. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and that's it. It's so easy to make this mayo. You can keep it in the fridge for 3 to 5 days, and in my opinion is better than store-bought. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye!